JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Driver loaded. Connection establishment. Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Here. What is the URL? Next username. System. Password. Manager. Now. Connection established. After establishing connection, already diagram I given about prepared statement. That blob. Now, is it static SQL query or dynamic SQL query or PLSQL program? Dynamic SQL query. Then which interface required? Prepared statement. What we have write? Prepared statement. PSTMT equal to connection reference dot prepare statement. What is a SQL query? What is SQL query? Callable. Insert into images values. Values. How many question marks? 2 question marks. Okay. Insert into images values. 2 question marks. Now you have to set first one, name of the image. Name of the image, which type? String type. What we have to write? PSTMT dot set string. Set string. Parameter index 1. Name of the image. Suppose something flowers. Okay. Now next one. Now it is blob or clob? Blob. For blob, which method we have to use? Set binary stream. What we have to write? PSTMT dot set binary stream. How many parameters I given? 3. What is first parameter? Parameter index. So 2. 2 is a parameter index. Second parameter, input stream. In the place of input stream, can I pass file input stream? Yes, because file input stream is a subclass of input stream. Is it upcasting or downcasting? Upcasting. See, this is many times it comes. Many times upcasting, downcasting. Suppose now here which is superclass, which is subclass? A is superclass, B is subclass. A is superclass, B is subclass. Now subclass object or subclass reference, if you assign to superclass, this concept is called upcasting. Subclass object or subclass reference, if you assign to superclass, that concept is called upcasting. Assigning an object or object reference of subclass to superclass type is known as upcasting. Assigning an object or object reference of subclass to superclass type is known as upcasting. Upcasting done by system implicitly. Upcasting always valid. Always. Okay. That's what. Suppose if I write like this, AOB equal to new B. Which class object created? B class. Assigned to which class? A class. Is it valid or not valid? Valid. In B object, A members are present or not present? Present. That's what valid. In a B object, A members are present. That is the reason you can assign. That's what valid. Suppose BOB1 equal to new B. In this line, any typecasting is there? No. B class object, B class reference, no casting. Here A OB2 equal to OB1. OB1 is a reference of which class? B class. Assigned to which class? Can I call upcasting? Yes, it is also valid upcasting. What's the difference between first one and second one? First one, object assigned. Second one, object reference assigned. So, in both the cases, which class object assigned? B class. To which class? It is nothing but upcasting. Upcasting done by system implicitly. Upcasting always valid. It is always valid. Okay. Assigning an object or object reference of subclass to superclass type. It is called upcasting. Upcasting done by system implicitly. Upcasting always valid. But again, if it is reverse, now assigning superclass object or superclass reference to subclass, that concept is called downcasting. Now BOP equal to new A, is it valid? Not valid. Which class object created? In that object, any B members are there? That's what not valid. If you want to do downcasting, first of all, upcasting required. So AOB1 equal to new B. Is it upcasting or downcasting? It can be upcasting, downcasting. Programming is straight line only. Okay. This is diagram you can understand up and down. But in a program, straight line only. Now, is it upcasting or downcasting? Upcasting. Is it valid or not valid? Valid. Okay. POB2 equal to OB1. OB1 is a reference of which class? OB2 is a reference of which class? It is upcasting or downcasting? What is? It is downcasting. This one, if you want to do, compulsory explicitly conversion required, then only valid. Now it is valid upcasting, it is valid downcasting. If you want to do downcasting, first what you need to check? Upcasting is there or not, you have to check. After that, what you have to check? Explicit is there or not, you have to check. If both are there, valid. Only one is there, not valid. Both are not there, not valid. If you want to do downcasting, first you need to check upcasting is there or not. If it is there, again explicit type conversion is there or not, you have to check, then valid. Okay. But here what will be happen in Eclipse? That interaction not possible. Directly Eclipse shows error. Okay. Whether it is up or down also you cannot understand. Error means you will write. That's it. That is the reason interaction not possible with Eclipse. In Eclipse, what will happen? Valid or not valid, red line comes, see in the red line only, will give answer. While typing only compiled. Okay. Now, here, we need to set blob. We need to set blob. For that, set binary stream. Set binary stream, how many parameters? 3 parameter. What is the first parameter? Index. So, question mark index, nothing but parameter index 1, parameter index 2. Parameter index 2. After that, second parameter, input stream. Second parameter, input stream. Input stream is a superclass. File input stream is a subclass. Okay. Input stream superclass. File input stream subclass. Now, in the place of input stream, can I pass file input stream? Yes, because upcasting. Because upcasting. So, here, I'll create. Now, like this also valid. Input stream is equal to new file input stream. Also valid. Otherwise, here only file input stream also valid now. Now, here, you can pass FIS. What is the actual parameter? Second parameter, input stream. Which stream reference I passed? File input stream. Is it valid or not valid? Valid, because upcasting. Upcasting. What is third parameter? Length of the stream. For length, which method you have to call? Available. FIS dot available. Now, which file you want to pass? That file path. So here. Now, suppose in my system, flowers dot jfif. This file is there. Okay. So this image I want to store in database. This one image is there in my system. See, file explorer, C drive. This is flowers. This image I want to store in database. This image I want to store in database. So this path I written here. C drive flowers jfif. Okay. Now in this line, one dynamic SQL query prepared. In this line, one dynamic SQL query prepared. Here, first question mark, name of the image. Second question mark, content. See, first question mark, name of the image. Second question mark, image. That is through stream. If we don't write stream, path will be stored. Path is stored, then varchar enough blob is not required. If you want to store file path, if you want to store file name, blob is not required. File content, if you want to store, blob required. Okay. That's what here stream length. Stream length it will take. Okay, that's what image stored. After that, now pstmt dot execute update. It is updated, executed. Now these all throws exception. Now image is going to be stored in database. This one, how to execute command line arguments you have to pass now. Suppose if I execute this one, what will happen? Error comes. What is error? Array index out of bounds exception. Two arguments we have to pass. Okay, here, no argument. I didn't write. I written directly here. Inserted. Because I written flowers. Okay, that table also is there. I think that's what inserted. The table also previous batch. I thought that table, same table name will be there. Here image already is there. Okay. 1 minute, I'll delete the table. Drop table name. Table dropper. I'll create. What do you write? Create table images. Name of the image varchar to 10. After that, image. What do you write? Blob. Table created. Now, select star from images. No row selected. Now, here I written directly here. Suppose I want to pass command line argument. Here what you write? Arcs of 0. Here what you write? Arcs of 1. Now, any image you can pass. Now, if I run, what will happen? Array index out of bounds exception. See, array index out of bounds exception. Now you can set right click, run as, run configuration. See, Here blob demo appears no. If it is not appearing, first you save the file, then only appears. Without saving the file, if you open run as configuration, it doesn't appears. First you save the file. Already executed, I saved. That is the reason appearing. If it is not appearing, first you save the file, then click on run as. Okay, blob demo. Here arguments. Here name of the image flowers. Path of the image flowers dot jfif. In my system, that file is there. Okay, location complete. Now, is it this name stored or content stored? Content stored because blob apply run. I didn't write any message. That's what message not displayed but stored. You can check. But image can we see at the command SQL prompt? That is the reason ASCII code. ASCII characters printed. Now, if you want to display image, next topic, so let's record. We can retrieve, we can display in the browser. Okay. This is blob program. Program to demonstrate blob. Program to demonstrate blob. Note here, just star cell, right? Program to demonstrate blob. Write the program. statements. One is name of the image. Second one, path of the image. But path directly I didn't pass. I passed to file input string constructor. Stream I passed as a parameter here. So path directly I didn't pass to prepared statement. I passed to file input stream. File input stream I passed as a parameter to prepared statement. Okay. Here args of 0 directly I pass to prepared statement. But args of 1 I am not passing to prepared statement. I am passing to file input stream. Later I am passing stream. Here upcasting. Here. So actually what it takes second parameter? Input stream. What I passed? File input stream. File input stream is subclass of input stream. That's what valid. That concept is called upcasting. Superclass is there, any subclass valid. Subclass is there, superclass not valid. Suppose for example, this exception E we are writing. What it will handle? All exception. How it will handle all exception? All exceptions are subclasses of exception. Nothing but upcasting. Now, SQL exception comes. Will it handle or not? Yes. Whenever exception occurs, what will happen? Object created, no? Object created. SQL exception object. Suppose. This object passed to catch block. This object comes here. Then what will happen here? That complete line exception E equal to new SQL exception. It is nothing but upcasting. Here also upcasting only with upcasting. Upcasting, downcasting, further many programs it comes. Gorja also many times you have seen. After exception handling topic, not exception handling, object-oriented programming topic only. String handling onwards every day you have seen upcasting, downcasting. In core Java many times you have seen. Now further here also many times comes further. It is also upcasting. So SQL exception occurred. Then SQL exception object created. Pass it to this exception handler. But how it will handle? With that upcasting feature only handles. Now, will it handle SQL exception? Yes, because subclass. Will it handle file not found exception? Yes, because subclass. Any exception, subclass of exception. That's what it will handle. If you write exception, it will handle all exceptions. Because all exceptions are subclasses of exception class. In a program, if I ask any word, you should be able to give answer. Then only you are perfect in subject. But program, line by line, if you by heart, no use. Most of the students, that is only they are doing. Scanner SC equal to new scanner, system.in. What is that line? They don't know. They'll by heart that line. System.out.println. They don't know what exactly, but they'll by heart. Like that, if you by heart, no use. Now, I'll ask some questions in this program. Try to respond. Your answer right or wrong, whatever it may be. Okay? Now, here, this keyword, what purpose?
Create a project.
To create package. Here, which package created? JDBC package created. This keyword, what purpose?
Imported
To import classes, interfaces, packages, like that. Here, what is the meaning of star? All classes and all interfaces of IO package imported. Okay. Now, what is the use of this public class here? Access modifier. It is accessible anywhere outside the class also. Now, main method, is it instance method or class method? Class method. How do you know?
Static.
If non-static is there, what is the problem? Error, okay. But why they given static for main method?
Not changing the.
No. Main method is instance method or class method? Class method. Why they given main method as a class method?
Static.
They can give instance method, no? But why they given?
Static.
If it is main method, instance method, what is the problem?
All type of.
It requires object to call. So if it is non-static, It requires object to call. Then where you will create object, how will call? That's what they given static. Static is there. Can I call with class name? Yes. At the command prompt, what will happen? Blob demo dot main. It is called. That's what they given static. So you will execute the program at the command prompt like this only, no? C drive Java blob demo. You'll write. Then system will call main dot main. So system will call dot main because main method is static method. Okay. Now for name method, instance method or class method? In which class? That's what class dot for name. Get connection method, instance method or class method? Class method. Which class? Driver manager. That's what driver manager dot get connection. Get connection return type is connection. This is connection. This con. What is con? Object reference. Can I call variable? Is it instance variable or class variable or local variable?
Instance.
Is it instance variable or class variable or local variable? Local variable. Local variable. Okay, inside the method. Local variable. Now, here, prepare statement. Instance method or class method?
Local.
See what is happening.
Local.
Is it instance method or class method? Instance method. Instance method. If it is class method, we have to call with class name. But I'm calling with object reference. This method in which interface? Connection interface. That's what connection reference. This method instance method or class method? Instance method. It is in which interface? Prepared statement. That's what PSCMT. But actually, it is also interface. It is also interface. These all interfaces. Where it is implemented? Interface, can we create object? Can we create reference? We can create reference. But where it is created, where it is implemented, how it is working? Are you implementing connection interface? No. Are you implementing prepared statement interface? No. But where it is implemented? What is that? Driver, JDBC driver. Already given. All JDBC interfaces are implemented in JDBC driver software by companies, vendors. That's what no need to implement by us. Everything abstraction. Full-fledged abstraction in Java, advanced Java. Every line abstraction is there. Now, this interface in which class implemented? Do you know? Do you know? But how to get? Suppose you want to know how to get. Now, connection is class or interface? Interface. Connection is interface. Is it implemented or not? Yes. If it is not implemented, error. It is implemented, working. Now, in which class implemented? I want to know. How to know? Java P. With Java P connection, how will you find out? So show me. CMD. See. With Java P. Java P java.sql.connection. Now, connection interface where it is implemented. Will you find out here? Will you find out? No. I will find out. Suppose I want to know somewhere implemented. I want to know about that. Which one? Reference. This reference. What we have tried? We have to print that system.out.println con. Then what will printed? Class name printed, no? That connection interface subclass printed. If you print this one, that subclass printed. If you print like this, you can get it which subclass also. In a program, line by line, word by word, if you know, then only you can write new programs. Otherwise, only my programs you can write. New programs not possible. Whatever faculty teaching, that is you can write. But new program, if you want to write new program, core Java important. If you are unable to write means you are not perfect in core Java. That's it. Most of the student, what is happening? Learning, forgetting. That is happening. They are learning, but immediately they are forgetting. That is happening. Core Java, don't forget. Line by line, word by word, you should know. While asking scanner class, while asking system.out.println only I understood. Okay, last class only. Majority people not given answer. You observe. About scanner class, about system.out.println only I understood. Majority people forgot subject. Okay. Core Java, don't forget. Core Java only important. Advanced Java, nothing. Same word I am saying in Core Java class also, Advanced Java class also, Spring class. Every class I am saying same word. In HTML class also I am saying same word. Core Java only important. Okay. With Core Java only you'll get a chance to get a job. Core Java only important. In every class I am saying Core Java only important. Sometimes with only Core Java knowledge also you'll get a job. Chances are there. With only Core Java knowledge. Okay. Core Java only most important for your career. Don't forget. Every day you practice Core Java until you reach your target. Until you reach your target. Okay. In every class I am saying same word. Core Java, don't stop practicing. Only course completed, but don't stop practicing until you reach your target. Practice, practice, practice. In number of days you practice, some more concepts will be there. Core Java. So many logics are there. So many logics. Almost 3 to 4 months you studied. No? How many logics are there? So many logics are there in Core Java. All logics you have to remember. Logics means not only C language logic, object-oriented logic also. Okay, object-oriented logic, public, static, final, these all everything. Okay, upcasting, downcasting, this keyword, super keyword, final keyword, abstract class, interface, inner classes, lambda expressions, predefined functional interface, everything. Those are complete Core Java, maximum 70% subject logic only. 30% application. 70% subject logic only. But in advanced Java, logic is not there. Any logic is there, you observe. Every day I'm calling library. Every day I'm calling library. I'm giving method calling. That's it. Further up to even frameworks also like that only. Frameworks programs also ready made. These programs also already present. You have to open, you have to customize. It is one more type. Core Java logics are there. With that logic, advanced Java. This is already present in a frameworks. That is only framework. Ready made programs. That is framework. If you are perfect in Core Java, advanced becomes very easy. If you are perfect in advanced, framework becomes very easy. That's it. But Core Java, if you are not perfect, up to last class, you'll struggle only. That's it. Okay. Advanced also becomes hard. Frameworks also becomes hard. That's what. Don't stop practicing Core Java. Your Core Java course completed, but you don't stop. Continue daily practice until you reach your target. Okay. At least half an hour, 1 hour minimum you spend for Core Java every day. Every day. Then only useful. Okay. Here in the every question you should be able to give answer in the program. You observe package word Core Java or advanced Java. Import keyword, public, class, void, arrays, try block. Every line Core Java. Every line Core Java is there. Library method names, class names, interface names, package name, advanced Java. Remaining all Core Java. Concepts are Core Java. Okay, don't stop practicing Core Java. Now, this is blob demo. Is it clear? Same style club you can write. Club if you want to write, here which class required? Which method required? set character stream. That's it. Okay. Next concept, we'll see row sets.
డేటా టైప్స్లో అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పారు చూడు, ఐటికి ఉంటుంది.
Next concept, row sets. Row set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. A row set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. A row set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. A row set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. Same definition you already studied. Same definition. What is it? Result set. Result set, row set. Similar. What's the difference? I'll show you. Next, write it. Row set is generated based on SQL query. Row set is generated based on SQL query. Row set is generated based on SQL query. Next. Whenever row set is generated, then whenever row set is generated, then row set pointer or cursor points to before first record. Whenever row set is generated, then row set pointer or cursor points to before first record. You already studied rows result sets. How many types of result set? Recently you studied. How many types? 2 types, 3 types. Different answers coming, you observe.
2 types.
For 1 week also not completed. How many types? 3 types. Advanya only forgot. 3-4 days back only you studied. How many types of row set? 3 types. What are those? Type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. 3 types of row set. Okay? But here 5 types of row sets are there. That is 3 types of result set. Next, write it. There are 5 row sets. First one, JDBC row set. Second one, cached row set. Third one, web row set. Fourth one, filtered row set. Fifth one, join row set. There are 5 row sets. First one, JDBC row set. Second one, cached row set. Third one, web row set. Fourth one, filtered row set. Fifth one, join row set. Noted. The above all row sets are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. The above all row sets are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. The above all rosets are interfaces in Java x.sql.rosette package. Java x.sql.rosette is a super interface. 1 minute. No. Java x.sql.rosette rosette is a super interface for all rosettes. Java x.sql.rosette. Java x.sql.rosette is a super interface for all rosettes. There are 5 rosettes: JDBC rosette, cached rosette, web rosette, filter rosette, join rosette. The above all rosettes are interfaces in Java x.sql.rosette package. Java x.sql.rosette is a super interface for all rosettes. Next point. Differences between result set and rosettes. 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 One side result set, one side rosettes. Write this one. A result set is a non-serializable object. All rosettes are serializable objects. A result set is a non-serializable object. All rosettes are serializable objects. A result set is a non-serializable object. All rosettes are serializable objects. A result set is a non-serializable object. All rosettes are serializable objects. Second difference. Say a result set is a non-serializable object. All rosettes are serializable object. Next. Result set is a connected object. Here. JDBC rosette is a connected object and remaining rosettes are disconnected objects. Result set is a connected object. JDBC rosette is a connected object and remaining rosettes are disconnected objects. Differences between result set and row sets. One side result set, one side row sets. A result set is a non-serializable object. All row sets are serializable objects. Result set is a connected object. JDBC row set is a connected object and remaining row sets are disconnected object. What are these? I have to explain. First, you note down. Third point. Result set is not a Java bin. All row sets are Java bins. Result set is not a Java bin. All row sets are Java bins. In order to get result set, in order to get result set, we need, in order to get result set, we need connection interface, comma, driver manager class, and statement interface. In order to get row set, we need row set implementation class only. In order to get row set, we need row set implementation class only. Is it over? You observe?
Yeah.
See, what is row set? A row set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. Result set definition, row set definition, same. Row set is generated based on SQL query. If you write select star from student, all records. Selector student, select roll number, comma, marks from student, only 2 columns. Select marks, select star from student where marks are greater than or equal to 70. 70 and above greater than, it will come. So based on SQL query comes. Whenever row set is generated, then row set pointer or cursor points to before first record. This point also same, no? Total how many row sets? See? 5. JDBC row set, cached row set, web row set, filtered row set, join row set. These all nothing but interfaces. In which package? Java x.sql.rowset package. Java x.sql.rowset is a super interface for all row sets. These all interfaces inherited from this interface. So these all interfaces inherited from this interface. Differences between result set and row set. Here result set, here row sets. Now, here a result set is a non-serializable object. Row sets are serializable. Result set is a connected, but JDBC row set is connected, remaining row sets are disconnected. Result set is not a Java bin. All row sets are Java bins. For getting result set, connection driver manager statement required. For getting row set, only implementation class required. Total how many differences are there? 4. We'll see first difference. What is first difference? See? Non-serializable. All row sets are serialization.
Serialization.
Code Java or Java?
Core Java.
Already over no? What is serialization? Serialization. You already studied. Serialization on topic is there no? In Core Java? What is serialization? Remembered or forgot? Those who remembered give answer. What is serialization? Converting object into bit format. Converting object into bit format is called serialization. For what are the operations, serialization is compulsory in Java. Serialization means converting object into bits. That is called serialization. But what purpose will convert like that? What are the operations, serialization compulsory in Java? In which situation serialization required? Object, if you want to write to a file or if you want to read from file, and as well as if you want to send in network, if you want to receive from network, for these all operations serialization required. Now, how to make object as a serializable object? Now, suppose I'll show you an object that is serializable object, non-serializable object. How will identify? What is it? Implement serializable interface. Then it is serializable object. Implement serializable not there, non-serializable. That's it. Note on serialization. It is a process of converting an object into series of bits. It is a process of converting an object into series of bits. It is a process of converting an object into series of bits. It is a process of converting an object into series of bits. So converting object into series of bits is called as serialization. Converting object into series of bits. Next, write it. In Java, object must be serializable to do the following operations. First one, writing an object to a file. Second one, reading an object from file. Third one, writing an object to a network. Fourth one, reading an object from network. Writing an object to a file, reading an object from file, writing an object to a network, reading an object from network. If you want to perform these 4 operations, serialization compulsory.
On input or first one.
In Java, object must be serializable to do the following operations. In In Java, object must be serializable to do the following operations. First one, writing an object to a file. Second one, reading an object from file. Third one, writing an object to a network. Fourth one, reading an object from network. If you want to perform these four operations, object must be serializable. What is serialization? Converting object into series of bits. See, now, first, what is stream? Flow of data. Suppose it's a one stream. It is source. It is destination. Suppose here byte array. Like this, we are sending to a file. Now, file is going to be received. Okay, we are sending to file. Now file is going to receive. Okay, like this, file is going to receive. Byte array, I am sending to file. Like this, it is passed. Suppose it is a stream, it is a file. Here object. Now, if we try to, this will work. This will not works. Reason, this object must be converted into bit format. Then only we can send. Otherwise, sending is not possible. Byte array different, object different. Byte array you can transfer, but object you cannot transfer. Object must be converted into bytes, bit format. The byte array nothing but one bit only will pass like that. Here we should convert into bits, then only possible. In core Java, one example also given. This byte array like a water, this object like a ice, these streams like a pipes. Can you send water through pipe? Yes. Can you send ice through pipe? No. It is like a ice. Okay. If you want to send, what you have to do? You make it water. Okay. After sending, after receiving, again you make it ice. But if you want to transfer, water. But through ice not possible. Like that. So this byte array like a water. This object like a ice. Ice we cannot send through pipe, but water we can send. Ice convert into water, send. After receiving, again you make it ice. Reverse, deserialization. Okay? So, this object we have to convert into bits. That conversion process is called serialization. Writing to a file, reading from file, sending in network, receiving from network, serialization required.